Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I'm going to show you how to make super easy plant food and garden fertilizer with your banana peels. You will never throw away a banana peel again. In fact, I have a whole container of them right here. My 2-year-old loves bananas and has one every single morning. And rather than just throwing these away, I'm going to show you a super cool trick so that your plants live longer and stronger, grow faster, all the good things, bear you good fruit or produce depending upon your garden. Now, you certainly don't have to cut these up, but I do prefer to cut them up. I think it helps release more of the vitamins and minerals within the banana peel. That's why this is so amazing. Now, I'm gonna be throwing everything here in a container that I'm gonna show you here in just a second, but cut up those banana peels. This one here, you can see it's been sitting in my refrigerator for, I don't know, like 3 days or so. It's getting a little bit tough here the longer that it's sitting. Now, the quicker that you can do this process, the better. I probably wouldn't recommend leaving these banana peels in your fridge for weeks on end just because they start to break down and decompose, and you want to make sure that you have all the best vitamins and minerals from the freshest bananas, as you can see right here in the peel. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut these up. All right, perfect. Then I'm gonna go ahead and get a rather large container. I just got this at the Dollar Tree right here. This is great for putting cereal in. And then I'm gonna dump the banana peels right in here. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up with some water. Dun da da da, and then I'm gonna put the cover on it to seal it in nice and tight. I'm gonna let this sit for about 3 days, and I'm gonna show you what happens. We're gonna do this on my house plants. Dun dun dun, it's been about 3 days, and look at our beautiful concoction of fertilizer for our plants. Let's just get on in there, shall we? Yes. Now, if you want, you certainly can strain this, but I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna water my plants with all this goodness right here. And it's okay if some of the banana peels drop into your plants. Again, you get to decide how you want to do this part right here. But look at how green and beautiful she is. And I have a lot more for the rest of my plants, indoor and outdoor. Click the video on screen now for some additional cleaning and life hacks. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.